What do we got here? An old Chevy Impala. We're gonna do some walnut blasting. Got the machine set up here. Got walnut shells in there already. Got it pressurized. It's leaking. The regulator's leaking, but it's all right. Here is the walnut shell abrasive fine grit, 24 grit. Very, very fine. And we got 2 valves done already. And I thought to myself, what better way than to actually show you guys what we're working with here. See how bad those valves are? See how nasty they are? This is what they look like when they're clean. And I'll show you the process that I use to do it. So those valves are a little bit open, so I'm not going to do those. But look at these. See how clean those valves are? You could go either way. They all need to look like those valves.
No, the other one I completely loosened. I just hand tied in the back because when I put a
Trying to get this thing to freaking focus and zoom in. It's not doing it. Anyway. And then here we spray some brake clean down in there to make sure that the valves are closed. You see all the fluid is still in there? That means those valves are closed and nothing's leaking into the cylinder. That means these center 2 right here are ready for walnut blasting. So let's do those real quick. I'm gonna try to set you up somewhere. Let's trying to find a good spot to put this thing. See. All right, so you're gonna see. And this is my wand for my walnut blaster, and then we have a special adapter that we put on the bottom of it, and it's got a hole in. It's got a hole in the end of it, so I suck and I blow at the same time. No funny stuff, okay?
Hey, Daddy, want me to hold it?
I need this more. So I stick this. If you look at the initial part here, you see how I got. If you look down inside here, I touch the back of the valve just barely, and then I slide my vacuum down so I know where I'm at. And then go ahead and turn the vacuum on. All right. Go ahead. let's see what they look like. No more carbon buildup. Trying to, it's so hard for me to get the light to go down in there and show you guys. Oh, I see a little chunk right there. I see a little chunk right there on the back side of that valve. Trying to focus, but it's having a hard time focusing. There you go. Just a little piece right there on the back side of that valve. I'm going to go through with my right angle pick and get all those little chunks right on the back. Even though they won't really cause a problem, I still get them all off of there. But that's what they end up looking like. Well, that's something you guys don't get to see every day from me. And this was a rarity. Somebody came with an American car and was like, can you do the valves, clean the valves and stuff on my 2013 Chevy Impala? Yes, I can. Y'all be blessed. Take care. Don't want this to be too strenuous today. They make all kinds of different adapters for intake ports and stuff like that. You just got to do some research, have a shop vac, and a decent media blaster. Walnut blasting, very safe. If anything gets down in there, spin the engine over 18 millimeter on this particular one with a ratchet until the valves come up and seal. Do that cylinder, go to the next one, go to the next one, spin it around, go to the next one. When you're done, I re-rotate the assembly all around, open the valves back up and blow out inside to make sure any of the residual stuff that may have gotten in there, most of it, 99.9% of it gets blown back out, but there's a little bitty particles, but it's walnut, so it burns off real easy and doesn't cause any problems. Do something nice for somebody, say something nice to somebody, smile at a stranger, hold the door for somebody, check on somebody you haven't checked on in a while. Remember, it takes too much energy to be negative, but it doesn't feel like you put any energy into being positive. So try it out. Be blessed. Love y'all.